Ooh, it popped up today. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so we got the market opening in 11 minutes. All right, looking at the family's votes, I see 80% red on the day. Oh, hold up. Okay. Yeah, hope everyone's doing all right this morning. But honestly, we might have a nice little trend line here on the 4 hour on the SPY. Let's see. See if I can draw a little something, something. See what we got here. See if we can angle it a little bit differently. Yeah, let's draw that on there like that. There we go. There we go. Yeah, a little trend line action. We'll see how that continues on. Saraf, good morning. Monica, good morning. Oh, I see somebody said break even. It's a possibility. Kevin, good morning. Ooh, from Lakeland, Florida. I'm gonna be in Florida in a couple weeks. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Is it gonna come out though? Lavenderella, good morning. Yeah, we've had a mega run on Bitcoin here. Or actually, it's not even mega run for Bitcoin. Hold on. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so I've been liking kind of some of these crypto plays here. I'm gonna drop down on the SPY. Not sure SPY is fully the move. Last week we had no movement, was not kind to us. Do I trade Broadcom? No, I don't. Appreciate you, ATL, big dog. So today I'm going to be looking at the SPY as a possibility. Also be looking at different crypto stuff. I'm going to say I would rather not trade the SPY, but if it comes to it, it's an option. I'm gonna see where things are kind of pricing, where things are looking. Mr. Lazaro, good morning. I don't know why yours popped in like just popped in the middle. Let me swap it out to live chat because they were trying to suppress you. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah, I'm like, where's my iPad at? See if we can get these levels going. All right. So cut out of this Apple trade. So don't need to watch it as close anymore. Actually, I'll leave it there because I do have my price target set, but cut out of that just before I closed yesterday. Haven't looked at SoFi in a while, so the range on SoFi is still the range. It's still same. It's like the top of the range on SoFi is going to be 980, and the lower end is 1587. So while it's in between here, I mean you can get some back and forth, but this is the range. The range was set back May 26th, and it's just been moving between that. We have gotten some candles below, but we're still in the same range on SoFi. So nothing new there. And the range on SoFi, just so that you know, it's a bullish range. So there is more strength in buying when it is pulled back around the 15.80 kind of $16 area than there is in selling from upside, or like trying to play it to the downside. So there's more money to the upside right now with the range that it's in. But right now it is like almost smack dab in the middle. So it's like in the what you would call the no trade zone. Afia J De La Cruz, good morning. Hey, from the Philippines, good morning. I need to get out there. Haven't gone out there yet. Need to visit at some point. Trenton, good morning. Hey, top of the morning. Thoughts on mRNA run up? They got a catalyst. They popped up. I checked on it yesterday. Let me. I wouldn't touch it yet. There could be more if there is, like, I know it sounds obvious, but there could be more if there's more. This is not something I would touch though. If for some reason it wants to come back to the $63, $64 level, and there is no kind of negative news from there, it's like, oh yeah, I'll pick that up. But nah, right here, that is not anything I touch. That's not the way I trade. If there is some sort of trend formed, or if it gets some form of legs, that's different. But mRNA, nothing here from me. Stacy, good morning. Hey, Tank, Texas. Hey, what's up, family? Bro, okay, I'm gonna need these notifications to hop on somewhere else. Let me make sure we don't have any news today. I don't think we do. I checked it yet. So now it says Trump speaks tonight. But that's like way after the market closes. So here, yeah, let's go through the list. A dollar, honestly, kind of been consolidating like the past couple days. Oil's sitting up there. TOT pulling back. Gold's holding up well. Bitcoin going crazy. Tech override, good morning. Ken, good morning. SPY, nice little downtrend. Qs too. So the Qs did come and hit that level yesterday that I was looking at, but I ended up getting something on Nvidia instead. A little annoying. Nvidia hit my first price target in the pre-market. Actually, if it opens up right here, it still hit it, like while the market's open. But yeah, would love to see Nvidia like today come for some of these. So Nvidia is also on the table. I might have to move this though, because I don't like seeing all this stuff on something that I'm actually going to trade. Let me get rid of these EMAs. Looks like we open up here in like 2 minutes. But yeah, Nvidia is on the table for the 100 to 1K account. I got just under 200. Last week was the first week I've lost in this account. Yoko, top of the morning. You said did Anthropic? I don't know anything about Anthropic, the Anthropic situation. All right, hold up. All right, so I got an alert on Apple a couple minutes ago. Hold up. Here, let's continue through the list. Nvidia looks like it's going for my second target now. SoFi, Webull. Oh, let me. I'm gonna throw Robinhood up here because I want to watch it right now. Robinhood's a contender today too. If we can close in this next 30 minutes over 100, I'll consider it. Breezy global manufacturing and service. Yep, saw it. Now we'll start running. Hey, we'll have to be on the lookout for that. Hey, stack real money. Hey, that's what we're trying to do, family. Hey, good morning, family. Making me a sandwich. You make me a sandwich. No, I'm kidding. Hey, what's up, family? All right, so yeah, we're getting open here. Going to turn to the stocks now. See kind of what goes. See how the SPY decides to move. I always got the SPY up. You're gonna have to. Here, I'm gonna watch Bitcoin a little bit closer. Just see how it's doing on a lower time frame. And then here, let me also get some of this, get this gamma exposure up. Lucian, good morning. Carla, good morning. Macy Mayo, good morning. Marcus, good morning, family. Hey, shout out to the 17 people that woke up and decided, hey, I'm going to smash that like button and send out the positive energy. Here, let's go. Winston, top of the morning, family. All right, so I'm gonna slow down the talking a little bit. I'm going to a little bit more analysis and kind of like, yo, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's good. So I'm gonna look a little less at the chat right now. Apple is going on. It hit the second price target. It looks like it's going for the third. I'm no longer in Apple, but it's moving. For those of you in the Discord, let me also. Where we at? Pull up the proper account today. But I also need to real quick just check in on that Nvidia. Okay. Nothing crazy yet, but it's up. So Robinhood looks like I am not trading that today. That is not going to qualify. So yeah, we're going to get that one out of here. Hey, Coinbase, possibility. Actually, hold up. Actually, that one looks like it might get heavily manipulated today. I'll like check back in on Coinbase, but as of right now, that is not getting traded by me today. Henry, good morning. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Here, let's see. Little Webull pullback, Coinbase, Apple. All right, so we got a little pullback action. Hey, I may just here, I may just try to go with the trend. Oh no, this 765 level on the spy right here is a level. So we're gonna play it patient a little bit. Unless something just jumps out. Oh man, good morning. Still trying to figure out how to use it. You know how to get to it, right? It's like I'm looking at it, but like if you don't understand it, I would all right, so that Apple just hit the main target I was going for that swing trade. I'm not in it anymore, but anybody still in that Apple trade, just so you know. Let me check in on that contract. It's up 27% on the day. I bought it for like 260. Yeah, it's up like probably like 90, 80, 90% right now from where I bought. I think like 85, 90%. So yeah, anybody who took that Apple and happened to not be able to get out of it yesterday, which depending on how fast you saw it, it may have been tough because it was like right at the end of the day. Yo, you're doing pretty well right now. All right, let's see. 765 looks good. Yeah, yeah. 755 looks like where it is. We are like on the 2 minute. Like we're below the gamma flip. There is a lot here. So if we can hold below here a little bit on the SPY, we could get some more downward movement. Here, I'm gonna stop watching Apple so closely. I wanna hold up. Palantir. I'm not trading that. What's up with Amazon? Let me take a look at Amazon real quick. Okay. I like what I see here kinda. I think this might be a good level to here. I'm gonna come up higher time frame a little bit. This looks like a good area of support. Let me make sure there's no like news or anything. I don't see any. Here, I'm gonna watch it. Let's watch it on a 2 and let's throw on a 9. I want to see how low it goes, but I want to see if I can catch like a reversal on Amazon, or if it like starts to show like the possibility of a reversal. Otherwise, if Amazon keeps dropping, I think there's like also a better chance that the SPY reverses too. But yeah, I got my eye on a call on Amazon. Want to see kind of how it holds up here. But yeah, still gonna sit on the hands right now. But I like Amazon is one I like right now where it's at. But things could get nasty on Amazon too. We'll also potentially watch it to 255. All right, so right now Bitcoin trying to hold up there. Okay, let's see. Oh, hold up, Robinhood. Hold up, I said I wasn't gonna trade Robinhood, but it's starting to say, bro, it already went where I wanted to ride it to. These morning fake outs. Bitcoin. Hold on, let me zoom out a little bit more on Robinhood. Says SPY still fighting downward. It is right now. Slowly, slowly it's trying. 765 is like the magnet right now. Okay, Robinhood is very positive gamma right now. I was watching for that $100 level, and it like, bro, yeah, that $100 level was like a slingshot. It like pulled back. I saw like, oh, it's coming below that, but nah, Robinhood might be the real deal right now. How's Bitcoin doing? All right, so oh, hold up. Oh, I'm in the wrong account. Oh yeah, Robinhood taking off. All right, so I'm gonna do something a little unprecedented for this challenge. All right, so I just threw in on Robinhood. I grabbed a 112 call that expires on the 28th. So that is the challenge, or that's going to be the trade for the day in this account. But Robinhood looks like it has legs, and I'm kind of pairing it with the Bitcoin move. So I bought it for 194 a share. And real quick, just to share it with y'all, grabbed a hood 112 call that expires August 28th. So good thing is, don't have to worry about it going to zero. Another good thing is, Robinhood is moving and it's up 16% now. So that is going to be the trade because this is a cash account. Yeah, now we're just gonna kind of watch and nurse it. Like honestly, if we can get to like 108, that would be amazing. But the reason I grabbed this trade is because Robinhood, I was watching for a breakout above 100, and it's moving a little faster than I was looking for. But yeah, just looking at how positive the gamma is on it, I think it can do some pushing. And also like it's part of this Bitcoin move. It just wasn't moving quite the same as everything else, so it kind of seemed like it got held back. So whenever it comes to like watching stuff like that, so got the Robinhood up like that contract's up like 24%. Honestly, I'd like to like maybe ride it to like 108, 107. I don't know. We got some resistance in this area. I'm gonna hop down to a lower time frame and try to see it here. Can we get like let's get an EMA on there to watch it with. But let's go like lower time frame. Let's watch it on the one. See how that keeps running. Here, let me turn off these other EMAs. All right, so watching Robinhood on a 1 minute because it's moving like that. Bro, they heard me say I wasn't going to trade Robinhood today. They said we're going to make him eat those words. Eat those words. I did. But yeah, just for the record, that's gonna be the only trade I can really take today. Oh, Coinbase popping off too. Hold up, let me see if the numbers updated on that. I'm just curious. All right, that Robinhood is up 36%. See how Bitcoin's doing. If Bitcoin can work its way back to the top. You said, did any of y'all get in the Robinhood Venture Fund too? Not I don't think I'm familiar with that. Unless you're talking about that thing that they added, like it's like that thing where it can invest for you. I haven't even played with that yet. It's like I might at some point, but have not. All right, but not I, my guy. I like the little rhyme there. Yeah, Bitcoin at 77,300. Hey, let it move. All right, y'all. Hey, just so y'all know, the basis of this trade. This is a breakout trade, and the only thing keeping me in this trade is I am just riding a trend. It's like the profit that it's had on this contract already enough for this account. But yeah, I'm just watching it closely because I'm gonna be here anyway. That's the basis for the trade. Yeah, I feel like I got a sneeze coming. And let me also make Bitcoin a little bigger. I'm not gonna be watching Amazon anymore. See how coin does. I feel like here, let's go to 50. I feel like they could pull back a bit from here. I don't think I got the sneeze in, but I appreciate you, family. Looks like SPY and Nvidia are about to break. Are they? I hope Nvidia doesn't. I grabbed a call on Nvidia like right here yesterday. This two at around 216.65. It's been holding itself. What was this? Was this pre-market? Yeah, that was Robin or Nvidia. Shoot, they went down pre-market. But while I've seen them, they've been doing all right in my trade. All right, there's Robinhood some more. All right, that Robinhood's up 46%. Yeah, we'll see where this is going. Yeah, Robinhood or Walmart. Yeah, I guess I didn't see their earnings, but I saw their prices more. Yeah, Walmart is down. So money is looking for elsewhere to go. That's why things like gold and Bitcoin are going up right now. I'm not sure if y'all seen gold. Gold is up pretty good too. Take a look over. Yeah, look at that. Big old gap up right there. So you said, bro, I have calls on Nvidia. Oh, you said, do I swing through the weekend? Yeah, I'm gonna swing through this one. Partially because, well, actually, we'll see. Like, let's see where Nvidia closes today. I intend on being out before earnings, and I think I think I set a stop on this. Yeah, so I got a stop loss on this. So as long as they uphold that level, like uphold the stop and everything, we're good. Yeah, as long as Nvidia can make progress. So they hit like the first target I had, I guess. They came close to the second one, but got a lot of targets on there. See what Bitcoin can do. Here, let me get another look at these at the SPY on the for a gamma exposure just to see what kind of movement. All right, so we're negative gamma, but we're still like really attracted to this 765 level. I wouldn't say we've quite gone far enough to really like start looking elsewhere yet. That Robinhood up 41%. Hey, let's go Robinhood. Like let's uphold the trend. Might be slowing down here. Bitcoin with a little pullback. See if we can keep going. Oh, hey, Robinhood said not quite done yet. Come on. Let's see. All right, yeah, the spy moving down. Spy might come fill in that gap to the downside. You said, did I see the gamma on the video here? Let me see. I actually have not. Let's see. So Nvidia appears to be attracted to this 215 level. Let's go out to Monday. It's not as bad if you throw Monday in there. I got to the 28th on it. I know this level right here is eh, yeah, right now it's attracted to 215. I think the Robinhood contract is gaining an IV because it's up like 47% right now. It's not at the high, but I think that might be the highest it's been. Oh, also, yo, excuse me, they're doing the same landscaping they do every Friday while we're streaming. Um, Hold on, let me look at next week. Where's my count? Oh, there it is. All right, hold up. All right, so we're testing this low right here. See if we get confirmation. Brand new, top of the morning. Hey, speaking of brand new, have y'all seen that? Have y'all seen the new Spider-Man? Hey, that movie's good. Like it. I think I liked the one before it a little bit more because it had the situation with the other Spider-Mans, but hey, it's still a good movie. All right, Robin Hood said, "Yo, on we continue." Up 52% on it. Oh, I see one of y'all. I see one more of y'all wanted to come through. He said, "Yes, sir. I enjoyed it." Hey, see, I'm not even a crazy like big like superhero movie person, but nah, yeah, I mess with those. I have. It was funny. I was in. I think I watched it in Utah, and like we had our friend from Portugal. She's like, "Oh, I don't like superhero movies. Oh, I don't like that stuff." And I'm like, "Yo, these movies are like genuinely good. They got like there's like comedy, there's like action, there's drama. It's like, yo, there's something for everyone." She was like, "I really don't want to watch it." And then like, hey, meanwhile, I think she was to the left of me while we were watching it, and like I look over, like the popcorn and everything, and like just into the movie. I hear some tears. All right. It looks like I'm about to cut out of this trade. Oh, we didn't confirm yet. These spreads are kind of nasty. I didn't notice that. All right. So yeah, with that being said, let's see. All right, so I'm out of the trade at $2.54 a share. The spread was kind of nasty on that. All right, but hey, I did grab it in a different account, but for the small account, uh, Yo, that's 30% on the day. The account is sitting at 259. So let me see. So yeah, this is the highest we've been since the second time on this. Last week we came down like $44, so we more than made up for it, and then moved a little bit further. And then Tank Texas, not yet. Need to take my son, man. He loves Spider-Man too. Hey, great movie. Ooh, I should have waited for the confirmation. Look at that. Didn't even confirm. It's okay. I still got it in my other account. Uh, I bought it. I bought it late in the other account though. I bought it at 267, and it's up. It's already up like 15%. So yeah, I'm gonna sit here and ride it. I'm gonna wait for confirmation on that one. The other account, I got day trades. I got whatever. So this new one, the average is 267, and that's what you'll hear me update or be able to update it on when you hear the percentage. So this one's up like 19.85% or just under 20%. And now it's up 22.6. Bro, it's leaving now. It's leaving. Okay. Yeah, that's how we feel. How's Nvidia doing? Bro, honestly, hold up. I think I'm gonna take it on this other one too. Or actually, no, I'm still gonna watch this because with where this is at, I can still but yeah, that thing's trying to pop. Said 6% up on SPY. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, this other one went 30% too after I just closed that other one out, basically at the price or less than the price I bought this one. Yeah, Robinhood. Yo, Robinhood has legs today. My goodness. The next kind of area where there's a good amount of calls is 110. But it looks like there's more at 115, 120. That's like there's room. Let's see. Letty, good morning. You said was having difficulty selling the call for profit, not sure why. I would imagine you probably sold it now because but the reason I think you had difficulty was because of the spread. So here, let me see if I can show you. 1 second. Wait. Yeah, there's a wide spread on these contracts. All right, hold on 1 second. Let me see. Let's go to hood. Oh wait, quick update on the account just to let y'all see. All right, so this is the account on the day. Took the trade. This is where we are. But yeah, let me go to the contract real quick. What? So it was like we had a hood. And it was a 112. All right, so real quick, if we look at these contracts, so this is the one we were specifically looking at. No, we were looking out for the 28th. Okay, so this is the one we were specifically looking at. All right, so the price that shows for this contract is 345, right? Or this is, I guess this is the ask price. There are three prices kind of associated with this. You got the bid, which is at 330, which is the lowest price anybody is currently has offered in. You got the ask at 355, and you got the mark, which is the price in between, the mid price. This is usually about where you'll get filled, but I think this one's going in 5 cent increments. All right, so I put an order in on Robinhood. I just got filled at 345, so I'm out of that Robinhood. But yeah, now it's going to 110. I was kind of watching Bitcoin price a little bit. Bitcoin's coming down, and yeah, I was just like, yo, I'm kind of leave that alone. But what was I gonna say? All right, yeah, back to what I was saying about the prices. If you want to get filled right away, put your order, like change your limit price to the bid price. You'll get filled right away. If you want to get filled, like the closer to the ask price, the longer it's going to be. Most of the time, like if I were to try to sell this right now on Robinhood, you might put the price in and then, I don't know, price might move. Since it's a lot closer than it was. Right now it's only like 20 cents away. That's still pretty big though. Since there's a big difference between these, you're likely to have a harder time buying and selling it because it's not going to be like right at the price. All right, D Scurv said good call out on Amazon. Here, let's see. I'm just curious now. Oh, so it bounced at that level? Hey, I was looking at here. I want to see how the contract I was looking at is doing now that you said that. Because I was looking at the 257.50 0 DTE. I think it was about 137 when I was looking at it. Let me see. I'm curious. What's it going for? Amazon 0 DTE 257. I mean, I think we ended up in a better position getting the Robinhood. We got more time and whatnot, and like it was like safer because we got more time. But the Amazon did what it needed to do too, which is cool. That's good. That's good. Okay, once this understand, I think. Hey, we can go over it later again if you need to. All right, but I don't know. I might take more trades here on stream. It won't be for the challenge account because I don't think I can. I can't today. Rajan spy call. I'm gonna say I'm heavily deterred from any spy calls because, like, if you look at the range from when we open, I think we open right here, 766 high, low about 764. It has a about $2 range on the day. It's really attracted to the 765 range today. And it's like I just can't guarantee like enough movement, or there's not like enough movement like really expected there. That's why I like SPY was on the table today, but it was like lower on the list. That's actually why I lost out last week, was because SPY was it didn't move enough to really constitute a it didn't move enough for my contracts to be profitable. Like time just sat there and the contracts just got cheaper. Said Tesla not playing so far. Oh, I forgot to check Tesla. Let's see. Oh, okay, they broke above that 351 level. Okay, hold up. All right. What's next? What's next? In this range? Hmm. Hmm. Like the whole range is down, but the next like major level, or the next resistance I see is like maybe like 370. That's on the 4 hour. Let's see. On the 1 hour, I mean, we got some like right here at like 360. It's not major though. Here, let's zoom out to the 4 hour, see if we can find more. Then you got about 364. So 360, 364. Oh, and Weeble's doing this thing again too. Let me take another look at that. Okay. Elijah, appreciate you, family. Appreciate you big time. Supporting the stream. Don't forget to hit the like button, everyone. It helps more than you know. Hey, Elijah is not lying. Hey, can't help but notice, yo, we got 98 people on. Yo, only 39 have smashed the like button. Hey, come through. Hey, come through. Smash the like button, family. For those of you who don't know, are any of y'all watching on the TV? Just out of curiosity. You just, hey, it's a few clicks. You like if you certain TVs, you like take the button, you do like the arrow down, then the little thing from the bottom pops up, and you do like a couple clicks over, hover over that little thumbs up. Oh, boom, smash just like that. It's like always make sure to smash the like button. It's unless they're saying something like truly outlandish, and I'm like, yo, this is just like how dare they? Yeah, always smash the like button. Here, let's see. All right, Robin Hood trying to on the 1 minute do a little pullback. Man, made a couple hundo on Hood. Hey, yeah, bless up, family, bless up. Here, let's see. Hey, good stuff, Glock, man, Dan. Hey, good stuff, family. What's up from Chattanooga? That's in Tennessee, right? Hey, what's up, family? And I appreciate you. Tesla made some bread off that this morning. Hey, good stuff. Off to a good Friday already. Hey, let's go. Yeah, good movement. Good. Yeah, we're looking good. Looking good. Yeah, I'm kind of ready. I'm kind of, in a sense, I'm done. There could be something else there, but yeah, I'm satisfied for the day. Hey, also, we will be back. Let me update y'all real quick. So I went to like Utah, Wyoming, and like I was back and forth between Wyoming and Iowa. And that week I took a strike on the snowball challenge and I have not updated it. So I need to update that, and then next week we will be back to the snowball challenge, and then the week after that, bro, I think I got a family reunion. I think. Yeah, the week after next week I got like a family reunion. So it's like there'll be some trading, but we're not gonna do the snowball challenge because bro, I don't like when I have a timeline, I'm not the wisest with my trade, so the wisest thing for me to do is not to trade. So you said, can I get my insight on SoFi? SoFi, unless it has gone crazy today, is still trading between until SoFi breaks above 980. It is still in the same range, and there's nothing new there. Last I checked, it's like right in the middle. Okay, so SoFi is still, yeah. Until it breaks above 980, there's nothing much to really do. If you catch it down here towards the lower end of this range, it's like, yo, grab it, get your money, ride it up. But as of right now, the trend is up on SoFi, the range is up on SoFi, but at this point of the range, it's not really a good point to like, there's not that much money there. So I'll just say like, yeah, there's not really much I would do right now on SoFi. All right, we got a little pullback on Robinhood. What are we looking like on the 5? Okay, we got some liquidity here. Should I try to double dip? I might try to double dip on Robinhood in my second account. See if we keep riding the what is it, that EMA. Go for the same contract. What was it? It was a 112. Oh, it's cheaper than when I bought it the first time in this account. Not when I first bought it today, but you just see how it holds up here though. On this 5 EMA. He said, bro, you look just like one of my friends I had in the Marines, Evan. Bro, you just revealed me. No, I'm kidding. Here, I'm gonna pick up this. I get told I look like people's friends a lot. All right, so I picked up a second Robinhood call. But yeah, I bet Evan was cool, or I hope he was cool. Otherwise, he doing some disjustices for the face. But yeah, I grabbed the contract again. I don't even know what price I grabbed it at. Let me see. I paid like $270 this time, so like 3 cents more than I did last time. All right, let's see. Yeah, Tesla's up, but it hasn't moved since it's really like come to my attention. I don't think they want to let things move too much on a Friday. Yeah, Tesla has a pretty big wall at 360 right now. If they let it go crazy above that, that would be a shock to me. So this 351 kind of 50 area was big, but I'm not thinking it's going too much more. Jay Hamburger, hey, very welcome. Appreciate you coming through, family. You said what's the play again? So it is a 112 Robinhood call that expires on the 28th, but it might it might lose out this second time because this might continue on. I'm watching the 9 EMA on the 5, but yeah, we might lose out here. I'm not gonna let it go negative on the day, but I think I'm negative on where I just picked it up. Let me see. And then another thing is it expires next week, so I'm still chilling. Oh, somebody did make a comment about Nvidia. Oh, you said Nvidia tripping. Hey, did say it was magneted to that 215. As long as it doesn't hit my stop. I had this area right here being a. This looks like an area for a good pickup. We got some liquidity here, and last time led to like at least 222. So want to see if we can get at least to that, and hoping we can hoping with the little push up coming into next week we can get like some what is it? Get like increase the IV into next week. All right, so right here I'm saying that we're gonna end up confirming that this trend is broken on the 5. Could be, could not be. Yeah, Tesla back to 356. Yeah, try not to buy in at the very tippy top. And look at that, SPY back to 764, 67. Yeah, it's gonna be a happy trading area for the SPY today. They're gonna try to trample over everybody that has a 0 DTEs. Just bring it on down. SPY's still alright right now, just for the record. You said, do I think SPY? I don't think SPY's going anywhere today. Like, it might go a little higher, but I don't think it's going anywhere that's worth actually hopping in today. Had an mRNA put up 100 at the start of yesterday. Should have sold it. Now down. Yeah, that's what happens. Yeah, we don't want to overstay our welcome with a lot of these plays, because they'll do just that. It happens to me sometimes too. It was like I didn't sell Robinhood at the top with the first one, but it was higher. Yeah, it was higher at a point. Can Amazon get to 260.50 today? Here, we'll look. Probably. I'll say there's a good chance of that. Let me look at Amazon's like actual. So the wall is 260. It can get to it can get to 260.50. All right, might need to. This. Oh, I forgot about this spread on this Robinhood. Haven't quite confirmed yet, but getting ready to potentially get out. Hey John, didn't know you were on live today. Uh, I would say anything I'm in right now, yeah, you might be too late. The main thing that I was the main thing for the account today, the trade's already been taken. So now we're kind of chilling. If anyone has any questions or anything, I'm here. But yeah, I would say for the most part, the trade is gone. I'm currently in a 112 call on Robinhood that expires next week or on the 28th, but I might be about to get out of it depending on if we confirm here to the downside. You said what's the best time to trade? Usually when there's volume, it's going to depend on your time frame. It's also going to depend on it's going to depend on what time frame you are, and if you're trying to like day trade, for instance, ideally you're trading market open. So there's a New York open, there's European close. Those are typically when I would do it. Like, so think like the first hour that the stock market opens, and then like I think like a couple hours after that you get a little more. It's not quite as crazy, and then like the last hour of the day. But really, it just comes down to what your strategy is. All right. Oh, Bitcoin trying to possibly move back up. That could bring some more. Here, let's actually. Got some work for Cloud to do. Do I like selling calls or buying calls? Uh, so right now with this, like when I'm trying to build stuff or when I'm trying to make the money fast, buying calls. Like if I'm trying to make like big gains, but I like selling calls when it comes to stuff I might own. What I'm thinking about like opening an account just to educate a little bit more on that. Like I'm looking at SoFi for it. Show y'all how to run the wheel. Like there are a lot of people that want to do it like every week or every month, but I like to do it like a little more structurally and have it more based on like where it's actually trading. I think that's how you actually win with stuff like that. What was I about to? Oh, hold up. I gotta give my boy Claude a quick job. Where we at? Oh, there we go. And real quick. All right. Let's see. All right. Okay, thanks, man. But I'm still staying. When will I go live next? So, what time? So market open. I don't know if what time New Orleans is, but I am in Dallas, and Dallas is on Central Time. So I go live at 8:30 Central Time a.m. on Fridays. I'll be live this next Friday. The one after I will not be because I'll be traveling. There's a chance I won't be the one after that too, but just 1 week at a time. I'll say like a good thing is that like if you go to my channel or like right here on the live stream just below, there should be a bell notification icon. If you turn that on and set it to all, you'll get notified when I go live. You said 3 p.m., 4 p.m., good time. So that depends on, I don't know what time zone you're in, Winston. So I can't tell you. I don't like to, it's going to come down to what kind of trading you do. Like that time frame, a lot of times when it comes to finding like swing trades for me, sometimes it's a good time to pick them up. Also, sometimes there are opportunities to catch like really big reversals for really cheap with zero DTEs. It really just depends on like what your game is in the stock market or like in the options market or whatever. It's like there's opportunity there. It's like it's going to be best to trade whenever the most hands are exchanging, like exchanging the money or exchanging the trade. So that's that's when it's going to be best to trade. You said Tesla broke 360. Oh, but not like it didn't break it. It like tapped it. Cause we got Tesla like here. Let's see. Yeah, that's not a break. It passed it by like 4 cents. Like a break is like what happened with Robinhood this morning. I was looking for it here. If we watch Robinhood on the one, wait, hold up, where we go? I was looking for Robinhood to like close out on the hourly above the 100, and I was like, yo, I'll get a call, and I was hoping like, yo, it'd be chill. Start of the day, I see this, I'm like, oh, Robinhood goes straight down, and then over here, like it sits flat at like 152 for a moment. This is breaking action. Like it immediately went from like one like yo, these are 1 minute candles. So 1 minute is at like 133. Legit 5 minutes later, it's at 103. So that's what I would call breaking. We can say Tesla broke it broke that oh no, this is Amazon. Hold up. Where'd Tesla go? Oh, okay, hold up. I was looking at Amazon, my bad. Little bit closer. Here, let's see. Mahishu, good morning. You said, can I explain how buying and selling calls work? Not here. This isn't a good place for that. I have a video on my channel called how to sell put options on Robinhood. That'll be something, but no, there's a lot more structure required to that than what I can give and show right now. So I'm not going to be the best one to do that, especially not in this moment. But there's a woman I met. She's like really good with that. If you look up trading with Ashley, yo, she's all about that. Yeah, she like look up trading with Ashley on YouTube. Yeah, I feel like she runs them every week. She'll show you how to make a living off of it too. What tips do you have when trading around your job? So what I like is the 4 hour time frame. I got a video that kind of talks about like the different time frames, and it kind of you need to trade to your lifestyle. So here, let me see the video. Honestly, I don't think I packaged it the best, but I think it's a good video. Or it explains the main idea. So that video I just dropped in the description or in the chat. That's about the best time frame to trade. I'm gonna say like the best time frame, like if you're living life and this is the time frame I trade, is going to be the 4 hour. Just because you're not rushing. Like you got time, like you can check in on it like a couple times a day. You can set alerts. You have enough time to kind of like react to it, all that good stuff. Here, let's see. It's the same time as Dallas. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, Hood is still trying. I still got that that last entry I got. So we'll see. I'm still down from when I last entered it, but up overall. Let's see. I work full time. What could be a good way to do options? Um, kind of depends. Honestly, I'd be real like the whole trading with Ashley thing, like being an option seller, that is one way. Or take the time in your free time and learn how to read the charts and trade supply and demand on a higher time frame, like the 4 hour or higher. Like swing trade stuff. Buy at undeniable levels. I would say that's the easiest way. It's gonna be more patience. Like you might like if you're swing trading and you're focused on like a couple stocks, you might get like 2 trades a week. Not a week, a month. On a good month. Other months it might be like one. But those will be like good trades. It really just depends on like your watch list. Like I wouldn't want to make it your watch list too big. Like this is my watch list. I recently cut it down because wait, let's see. Some of these I would say like the top like 6 of these are just things I'm watching, and other than that I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, I got about 20 stocks on my watch list. Like there'll be a lot of stocks people mention to me. I just kind of, it's like, oh wow, look at it, it's moving, but I won't actually trade the stock because is not a stock I trade. It's like I can call price action, but it's like you said I tried swing trading and up 9%. I mean, yeah, trading's a journey. And it's like it's not just gonna click like right away. Nothing's gonna click right away. You might see some early success, but there will be some like losses too. I know there are some people who are probably in the Discord and Freedom Charts who thought like, oh man, this dude doesn't lose. But then like, was it last week or like I don't know, the people on the this 100 to 1K, bro, people were saying like, they're like, oh, this isn't relatable. This guy doesn't lose. I'm like, bro, first off, if I'm somebody who doesn't lose and I'm doing it like right in front of you, bro, that would be all the reason for me to be like, yo, yes, I'll have what he's having. Oh, hold on. Let's check structure. Let me look at this structure on Robin. It's kind of, there actually is none. Let's see. Let's check the 10. Yeah, it's too early to really have structure. Yeah, we'll just see. Nothing yet. So yeah, just chilling on Robinhood. But yeah, it's like yeah, there were people who legit thought I didn't lose. It's just like there will be runs. There'll be runs of like, oh, yo, you don't lose, and then there will be breaks to that. And then I don't know, I guess the quicker you can snap your down streaks, or the quicker you can realize, hey, I'm in a down streak, or down, like I'm kind of going down right now and I need to stop, the better you are trading, can get back to that up streak. I feel like every time I like start losing, it's like I will usually come into contact with, it's not a nice thing to say, but it's like it'll usually like somebody who is, I'm just going to use this, I'm going to say I start losing because I come into contact with the loser and spend time with them for a little bit, and it's like they kind of rub off on me. All right, hold up. I might have to get out. And then like, it's like when I come into contact with a said loser, I have to do a lot more. Like I have to do a lot of hard things and work hard to get back to where I was, and to like reset, remember who I am, and like also remind my body who I am. It's great. It's kind of weird. And it's like, yeah, if someone says they don't lose, they're lying. But also like when I see the people who win a lot, like just because somebody's like, yo, I win, or like if somebody shows me the stuff and they have like a 85-90% win rate, and like I look through everything and I'm like, oh, this actually seems legitimate, these are actual legitimate trades and all that, I'm not going to sit there and look at like clear objective data and say like, bro, you're lying. I'm gonna sit there and I'm gonna be like, yo, how? Like I'm gonna ask how, instead of saying like, no, this can't be. Like if I'm looking at somebody, like if I see someone fly, I'm not gonna say, yo, they're not flying. I'm gonna be like, how are they flying? Like it's like that's gonna be my question. Like what is this like? But there are other people, they will see the reality of something and just be like, yo, this can't be, even though I'm looking at it. I know there are illusions and stuff, but if you get the how, then you figure out, oh, they're just using a little trick, and then it simplifies it. So it's like, yo, figure out how, instead of telling yourself it's impossible. It's like if somebody else can do it, you can do it too. And it's like, what does it take for you to get there? That's why I'm here with you on stream right now. I think maybe, let's say about like 2021 or 2022. I think I wanted to, I think I was like, yo, I'm done trading. But then I was in a, like I was paying for a Discord trading group. And I'm gonna be real, like when it comes to Discord trading groups, it's like, yo, the people can call out the plays and the people doing it can win. But it's like, yo, you don't know which ones to take. So it's like I saw this one dude. I'm like, yo, this dude keeps winning. I'm like, oh yeah, he's putting these charts out beforehand, and it's like, yo, they're hitting. It's like I'm not getting the same profits and stuff, but like this dude is consistent like with his charting. I think up to that point, like I had some people saying like, oh, like technical analysis is just a bunch of mumbo jumbo, and I was just sticking to that. But then like that led me to go down and like, hey, let's actually learn technical analysis. What is he actually doing to find these levels? And through that I found out like, oh, institutional trading and whatnot. Institutional trading styles like supply and demand, sweeps of liquidity, and once I found that, I was off to the races. Here, let's see. I always lost when I try to follow. Nah, I know what you mean. Like it's hard to follow people. Like live streams, they're a little bit easier to follow. Like that's cool because y'all are able to get clarity like right here. But there's still like probably like a 5 to 10 second delay. So depending on like when it comes to like really really fast day trades, it's not going to be the same. But sometimes it works out better. But yeah, no, it's hard to follow. That's why like all the Discord, like the ones that send out signals that I used to be in, they never worked out for me. It's like it's cool when you get the ones where you can like hold a trade for some days and you have the money to do that. But whenever you're like trying to get like the quick day trades, bro, they're too hard to follow. But when I do my due diligence and take the trade, I win most of it. Hey, that's it. That's it. Do your due diligence. Sometimes it's the entry. Did a couple of Discord. You gotta, bro. Yeah. Sometimes it is. Sometimes it's an exit too. It's like I usually would try to get the entry beforehand, and it's like, yo, they might be like, yo, I entered here, and then it's like they send the message out saying they entered there, and it's like it just disappeared. Not talking about options. What is the name of the trading group? The group is dissolved. It was called I think it was called Cash Capital. If you know who Kelly OG is, she had like a bunch of traders under her, and there was one guy in there. His name is like Sire, and like he was the one that I what is it? He was the one who showed me like, oh, yo, the analysis, like homie kept hitting these. I'm like, okay, let's go. And funny enough, he started trading options because he saw a video I made beforehand on YouTube. So it was like weird. Like once I followed him, he like messaged me back and he was like, yo, I just wanted to say thank you. I was like, yo, that was weird, but nah, homie's good at what he does. But he takes his trades like really fast. That's not my style. I like to like he's in and out. Like he'll trade with like he'll casually throw like 12K in a 0 DTE. And he'll be like, yo, just made like four grand. Sometimes he might like 4x it. I'm like, oh no, I'm not trying to mess with that contract, but he'll be like in and out 15 minutes, and then just chill. All right, we got Hood moving up again. Let's see. Okay. All right, so Robinhood is consolidating right here. And notice, I want y'all to take a look at the SPY. Yo, right there at 765. That's exactly why I have not touched it today at all. All right, we got Bitcoin is moving up again. It's kind of been in the sideways range today, but when it's moved up, Robinhood has kind of moved up. We'll see if we can get more of a move here on Robinhood. Bro, I'd like to see Robinhood go into that high. Hey, we'll be on to something. Oh, did I say Robinhood? I'd like to see Bitcoin go into that high. My bad. Then we'll be on to something. There goes Tesla again. So yeah, top winners of the day. Let's see. Bitcoin up almost 6%. SoFi up 5.6. Webull 4.3. Yeah, pretty much all the ones that have anything to do with like that benefit in any way from crypto. Let's see. We got IonQ. I got that on my list, but that's not one I'm like I would actually like trade. And then we got Tesla. Okay. Let's see where we go. This is the most volatility on a Friday I've seen in a minute. Really? You think so? I think it depends on where your eyes are. Like if you're watching crypto or anything, it's like, oh yeah, there's volatility. But if you're watching the SPY, bro, we are magneted to this 765 level. But I've started talking to Claude pre-market again so I can find better trades. Cause it's like I don't want to do this I don't like doing the whole, hey, let's sit here and wait all day for this. I want to find like, hey, even if we don't have something like at supply or demand, let's find a trend to ride. Yeah, MSTR is related to Bitcoin as well. Let me check in on that. That one is not I don't know, it's not one that I have on my list. It was on one of my lists, but it's not one like here, I'm curious what the contract go for right now. Because they've diluted it so much that I feel like it doesn't move anywhere near as much now. So yeah, I'm curious what the contracts go for. I know they used to be insanely high. On a day, nothing crazy. Okay, they're not as insanely high as they used to be. Yeah, they've diluted the contracts so much. There's like not really anything there. Okay, let's see. Yo, have a blessed evening, Lavenderella. Stay blessed. Appreciate you, hey, coming through for the stream. Sweet dreams. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, let me. Benina, you said it's up like $25 or maybe 30, at least after hours. You said he sold those Bitcoin. Yeah, he sells the Bitcoins and then buys things like private jets and things such as that. It's like, yeah, let's sell the Bitcoins into low, bro. Sell the private jets while it's low. If you're really all in on Bitcoin, go all in while it's low too. And then if you want the private jet, it's like, hey, maybe you can scrape a couple Bitcoins off when it's like high again. Bro, homie was buying when it was at all time highs, like buying heavy. All right, we got a little push here on the SPY. All right, hey, Robinhood 107.30. Are we gonna wake up again, Robinhood? It's still down like the last one I purchased was at 270. It's still down like $3. Oh no, it's in the hey, we in the green now, okay. Hey, hey, go on, Robinhood, do your thing. Oh, is Amazoning? Hey, go on, everything, go up. I'm not too worried about Nvidia today. Like it would have been nice if it would have come to fill this gap today, but I'm not too worried about it today. Let's see what it does coming into the weekend or something, or how it is next week. All right. Oh, okay. Robinhood, let's go. Let's go. Come on. All right. Hey, we in the green now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go hit that high. I think if it, I'm gonna say if Robinhood decides it wants to go crazy, I think 120 is the top. Because one thing I often look at on days such as these where we find a stock that is like actually running and then it kind of consolidates or maybe does some kind of flag for a little bit, bro, I'll look at it at the end of the day, bro, and it's just like, oh, in a completely different stratosphere. All right, yo, we got SPY. Trying to get back to open, I think. Yeah, opened up at 766. So yeah, it's trying to get back to open. Let's see. Little double bottom action on the SPY. Hey, might be trying to open up now. You said, am I still in the? Yeah, I'm still in the Nvidia calls. Yeah. That's the call I was saying I'm not too worried about right now. They got earnings on the 26th. I'm gonna say first opportunity I get on like Monday or Tuesday to get out of them though, I'm getting out of those. All right, you got D Scurry, you got Amazon at 260.16. Spy up at 765.82. Hey, this is quite the run right here. Quite the run. Higher big crew. Hey, what's good, family? What's good? Hey, up and up. We trying to do just like those sharks. Ken Griffin says Citadel unwound more than 80% of risk tied to situation awareness portfolio. Okay. Hey, to those of you not in Texas, and to those of you in Texas, it's hot. Yeah. I have not been wanting to go outside. We got Amazon at 260.24. Just a quick update. These curve. Hey, Meta never went to my full target. Let me do a quick check in on that real quick. Well, I guess they're gone. But yeah, I think I was looking for it to get to like 3.8 or 5.18 or about 5.20, something like that. He said, "I'm in Arizona. I feel you." Ooh, let's see. Let me see. Let's check out Scottsdale or Tucson or something. Where? Hold up. What did I just have right? Oh, I had a video up. Let's see. Hop on the weather app. Or actually, let me check all my locations and see who else is suffering. Oh, I guess I can get rid of what is it? Nueva Gorgona. I'm gonna get rid of that. No one's there anymore. Bro, that's kind of hot for Hungary. Whoa. Oh, okay. Hold up. Oh, it's not going to be as hot as it said it was originally. Bro, oh, if you're in Las Vegas, my goodness. Wow. That does not look fun. Spy is moving. Yep, it's going up. It's not anything I want to chase just because if we zoom out, you see this right here. Got this trend line on the 4 hour. This might actually be a good area to get a put. really just too soon to know. So yeah, we'll see how it responds when it gets close, I guess. But yeah, I wouldn't expect it to get too much higher than this. Can I make a play with you? Can. Is it going to be quality? Probably not. Um, See, honestly, stuff like that, your your best hopes is usually like the end of the day with stuff like that. But I was like, it can be done. It's not like very um viable. What's my thought on the take two option part? I have no idea. It's like I would imagine it goes up just because people are asking questions like you just did. I'm not gonna do anything with it, but it's like I would imagine it goes up. Yeah, I know. GTA 6. That's gonna be a thing for a long time. Oh, hold up, y'all. Oh, you'll be back. I just deleted it, D Skirt. I thought you were. I thought you moved. I'll be back. I'll be back. Yeah, I guess I'll have to add it back. You said the Tesla confirm. I mean it confirmed above. Oh, hold up. Well, 264 was the next level, but yeah, it confirmed above 351. This would be the confirmation candle for 360. But honestly, if you want to get in Tesla, yo, just ride like the 9 EMA or something. Like wait for a pullback and like ride it. Here, oh, why do I have the? Yeah, the volume's still good on it. Oh, we got Bitcoin trying to move up too. But yeah, it's like it confirmed on the 351. So honestly, once it broke this, I was like, yo, you just want to try to ride. Like it hasn't broken the trend. And let's see. All right, got your money on Amazon. Good stuff. Good stuff. 71%. That's lovely. Yeah, Tesla up 5.3. Tesla's starting to be a little giant on the day. Above 364, you got what is it? I said 370 was like next, right? We got Euro close here in like 20 minutes or so. Should see some more volume there. Hopefully the volume like continues things. What's going on with Tesla? Oh y'all, I haven't rode in the I didn't ride in the robo taxis yet, but I rode in a Waymo for the first time this past weekend. I recorded it. Let's see. It was kind of nice. All right, so a little pullback action on Tesla right there. Nothing major, but little breath. All right, so yeah, SPY got up to 766, then did this little pullback. Hey, but we still got Bitcoin moving up. So, wait, what just happened? Yeah, Bitcoin's still moving up. So, I'm hopeful for the little crypto supporting stocks. Biggest recall by global automakers. Y'all, if y'all were to buy any car on the market right now, and let's say you had like it had to be 40K or less, what car would you get? Bonus points the further below 40K it is. And more bonus points for the higher in reliability it is. What is this? Honda Accord. Okay. All right. So the thing about hybrids that's like kind of throw me off. It's like, yo, are we on gas or are we on electric? I hear like the repairs for them are kind of wild. Mazda 3. Actually, hold up. Let me see. Let me look at the Mazda 3. Is that the one I'm thinking of? Because I think those are like kind of nice. I think I've driven a lot of like rental cars. I'm like, yo, these are kind of nice. Yeah, that's not a bad price. Not a bad price. Ah, that's the thing for, but because it's like I'm trying to. Oh wait, hold up. We are Robinhood is at like I just gotta like make sure I'm still like checking in on this. Make sure it doesn't confirm. You said a used Hellcat. When I went to Atlanta for my doctor's appointment, me and my mother took a Waymo back to the hotel. Even though, nah, yeah, it was nice. Yeah, mine was probably like just under 2 miles too. Yeah, that's kind of what I prefer. Yeah, it was really nice, really nice. Honda is super reliable. Gas just gave mine to my oldest about a year ago. Hey, good stuff. Can't go wrong with Hondas and Toyotas. Yeah, I used to have a Toyota Camry. Like I had like I think it was the first year they actually had like a all-wheel drive. I had like a Toyota Camry. I think it was like a SE Nightshade edition. I think it was a maybe whatever the first year they did it. I want to say it was like it's either 2020 or 2022. No, I got a 2022 Tesla, so it was a 2020 Toyota Camry Nightshade Edition, and it was bro, that thing was nice. Somebody like upgraded. Somebody had it for like a few months before me. You said I need a Pinto. Y'all playing games. Oh, let me make sure. Let me hold up. Make sure nah, nah. I'm gonna be real. I went to like a lot of the cars that people think are like cool. I think they're cool too. I just like it's not my style. Like a lot of these luxury cars and oh, let me a quick check on the stocks. Bitcoin is still doing its thing, so that's making me want to hold on to Robinhood. This is in a different account anyway, and I got till next week, so probably keep holding that. But let's see. Honda Accord, Civic, or any Toyota RAV4 can get all-wheel drive and keep forever. I feel like the reliability on the newer ones is like dropping. You said Subaru Outback. I think when I was in Colorado, Subarus were a thing, but it's like out here in Texas, bro, Subarus they got like a rep. You said where my bonus points here? Let's see. Let me check. Let me check the price of the Pinto. Let's see. Let's see. I ain't even. Let's see. What kind of how much can we? Bro, you said from 1971 to 1980. Okay, I forgot to say. Bro, I want the car to be manufactured within the past like what is 2026. I want like a tighter range. Like I want like 2022 to 2024. And that's simply just for purposes of like the manufacturer warranty. I want the manufacturer warranty to be intact. Like it can be a used car, but you said it's dropping, but still more reliable than most. Hey, like I really like I'm gonna be I really ride with Toyota for sure. Like great experience. Um, let's see. Agree on reliability. They make them too complicated now. Nah, yeah, that's the thing, bro. The market. It's like whenever COVID happened, bro, people started trying to buy up all the cheap cars, and now like all the cheap cars that are supposed to be cash cars, bro. You used to be able to get a solid car for like three to like you can get some nice stuff for like 5K. Bro, then COVID happened, bro. Bro, those same cars that you can get for like 3 to 5K, bro, they're like 12 now, and it's like, oh yeah, we got these issues too, and it's like deal with it. And it's like we're gonna sell it anyway. And then it started looking like you look at the price of things, it's like, oh, well, shoot. For a little bit more, I can get something new with the manufacturer's warranty where they still cover everything and I don't have to fix anything. And so that's how things are. No, yeah, that chip shortage did, bro. That's like, bro, I used to like really want a Tesla. And then like when I came back from Europe, like I got that Camry. The Camry was a good deal. And then like I got back and I wanted another Camry, but then the price went up on them. And then I was like, the most affordable thing I can get right now is a used Tesla. Like because of that, they had that like $4,000 EV credit, and then I don't know, like at the time Hertz threw a bunch, like threw their fleet out And bro, I think I ended up getting a car for landed like it was about 22K for it. And it's cuz I got the Tesla at like 22K. It's like, bro, I'm kind of cheap with my cars. And it's like it's truly hard for me to beat anything like that, and I'm just waiting. I'm like, let me get some similar performance and everything too. Like it's like I got the long range, all wheel drive, all that. I'm like, and now it's like, yo, I see they got the used Teslas. I'm like, yo, used Teslas. The what was it? We were looking at the Mazda 3, right? Bro, the same price range that you can get a 2026 Mazda 3, you can get a nice used Model 3. And it's like the amount I spend like charging it versus gas, not dealing with oil changes, not dealing with any repairs. The only thing I have to do is change the car or change the tires after so many miles. I've only done that once. And bro, I've saved like so much money with it. So it's like hard for me to go back. Very hard. So that's why I'm like, yo. You said plat. I'm not messing. I'm not messing with it. I'm not. The reason I'm not like a new Tesla, bro. The price is crazy. It's like, I got a Tesla. And it's like, oh, let me go crazy with it. But I'm not there yet. Like I'm not. Like yeah. It's like I will be, but I'm still not sure if that's what I want to do. It's So yeah, I'm struggling a little bit because it's like I feel like I got it too good, and it's like I could buy another Tesla, similar situation, but it's like I need a car with different utility. So when you said get a Tacoma, it's a truck, right? I think it's a truck, Toyota Tacoma. Because honestly, I need something like that. Yeah, yeah, it's a truck, and yeah, I'm trying to get something in the truck lane, and honestly, Cybertrucks they're kind of cheap, but they're also like, bro, they're like gargantuan, and they look cool, but they're also like ugly too. So I don't know. All right, still here watching the stocks, watching the stocks, and look at the spy respecting things. All right, look at Tesla. All right, so if Tesla is going to continue its trend, and you are wanting to get back in, this is a good area if Tesla is going to continue its trend and you want to try to ride it. I'm not going to do that. I just want to let you, those of you who are looking and want to know, it's kind of like you got the break and retest of that 360 level. If it's going to keep going, it's going to keep going. But let me also let you know where the gamma is pointing. So the gamma is pointing for 360 to Tesla today. So yeah, just know that. Let me also see what Hood's looking like. Hood is way positive gamma, so I'm not really tripping. Like the closest level that looks like a magnet, it's either 105, but it's working its way to 110 too. So we'll have to see. Looking like it's trying to pick up a little bit. Not fully sure. You said, do I use any stock scanners? Here, let you know what my conversation with Claude is like. So I have Claude connected to my Mumu APIs. All right, so Claude code, let's see. I think I've given it 3 prompts today. Let's see, what's today? All right. So I said to it this morning, like 3 hours ago, I said, what do we think about the market today? What should I be looking out for? I said, Bitcoin looks like it hit pretty close to 80K. And I said, just let me know what what kind of stuff looks good. And it's like, what stocks do we need to get a read on today? All right, so then it said a bunch of stuff. And then where's the next message? Oh, I was just doing like providing clarity on some prices. But yeah, it kind of just like reads and analyzes things. Like yesterday, it told me about it told me about, what is it? It told me about Moderna, mRNA. Yeah, it told me about mRNA. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have known about that. It's like, oh yeah, take a look at this. It told me about some sympathies. It kind of tells me about the stuff that's hype whenever I remember to like, hey, let me talk to it. Let's see. So no, I don't directly use a scanner, but I have Claude hooked up to scanners so it can scan things for me, and then it also has its knowledge. So that's kind of it. Let's see. Do I use any stocks? Oh wait, that was the question. Okay, use Model S. All right, so Model S is kind of like a bigger Model 3, and it's like it's nice, but it's like also like, do I need another one? It's like I do want something bigger, but I want something with a little more utility. Like like I do kind of like want the like I want like a truck or a hatchback, or some kind of family vehicle. I know that's not what I initially said to y'all, but that's kind of what I'm looking at. My wife and I just shared the Model 3. Hey, D Scurv, have a blessed weekend, family. Yeah, I'm not too far behind. Ooh, we got some clouds out here. Ooh, ooh, that is nice. It's been unbearable in Texas. But yeah, have a blessed weekend, family. You said, bro, Spy is like a bipolar ex girlfriend sometimes. It's like, yeah, we know the magnet is 765 today. And what is it? Yeah, the magnet on the Spy is 765. And I identified this trend line resistance right now. If we don't break above that, I would expect us to continue moving down. Like honestly, it might be a good move if we close out on this trend line, get something cheap going both ways for the next week. We might either gap on up or move on down, but actually no, I probably leave that alone. Said thoughts on Tesla pushing back up again. If they hold below this, probably not. 360 is currently the magnet on Tesla, so they might push higher than they are now, but I don't think they'll do too much or go too crazy right now. That's just my take. Gotta learn that gamma trick. I wouldn't call it a trick. I would call it more like just kind of like learning and understanding more. Cause I don't know. It's like I go through. I look at the gamma and then like something happens and I'll like learn something else. It's like, oh, I didn't realize you could do this, and so it's like in a sense I'm still like learning the gamma. It doesn't even seem like there's that much to it, but there'll be like little things. It's like, oh, okay, let me throw that in my pocket too. But yeah, with that being said, family, I still have that like last Robinhood call. I kind of want to see what happens today. Like just yeah, see what happens. I'll probably like check in on it towards the end of the day. Or here, I'm gonna set an alert at this like 105.41 area to like if it comes down here for me to get a better look at it. What time is this? Yeah, wanna like just know. But otherwise, I'll just check in at the end of the day. It expires next week, so I don't expect like too much negativity from it. And oh yeah, you said keep you posted about Sunday. All right. Yeah. Yeah, might need to be reminded about that. But yeah, the whole yeah. Got you, family. But yeah, with that being said, family, appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through. Hey, we got back to the W's today. So with that being said, appreciate y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Ken. Peace out, Winston. Peace out, Wayne. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, Glockman Dan. Peace out, Darren Hilton. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, B2130 or 322. Peace out, D Baby 900. Yes, but it's in Freedom Charts, and the links in the description. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Higher Bit Crew. Peace out, Alex. Peace out, Make Me a Sandwich. And yo, should I miss you? It's not because I don't love you. It's just because yo, we out of here. I gotta work out. Peace out, family. Love. Oh, peace out, Ahmed. Love each and every one of y'all. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.